How's it going, everyone? My name is Preston, and it's been a hot minute, but you know, had some things happen in the, I guess, past year or maybe couple months. Definitely more than couple months that I've been gone. As you can tell, this is not the blue A5. This is now my 2009 Audi S5. And it is still the V8 chassis, which by far is my favorite chassis. But anyways, let's just talk about some things that have happened. So pretty much in the past year, I just thought I was ready for a new car, and I couldn't really pull the trigger to buy another car. And the car I actually wanted was a 2013 Audi S5, the V8.5, because I wanted the 3-liter supercharged. Turns out, that's not what I wanted. Test drove a few and I wasn't really happy with it. I thought the supercharger was really gonna kick out some stuff, because I know the aftermarket support for the 3.0T is crazy. I mean, ridiculous. There is so much for it. This has the 4.2 liter V8 in it, and I didn't even know Audi made a V8 in the S5. Let alone, I didn't even know the S5 was out in the V8 chassis. Let's just go over the car, shall we? So first, we'll start in the front end. I still have the stock front bumper. I'm not a big fan of it, but you know, gets the job done for now. It's a front bumper. I've got the RS5 front grille and RS5 fog lights. That's pretty much it. My front bumper's got quite a bit of damage, honestly, but you know, it'll get changed eventually. I got this custom, not really custom, just changed the red that was on here to white. It's not the prettiest. I got the tow hook in it right now instead of my front license plate cover, because had to get the car towed by a buddy because clutch decided to go out. Yay! This car is lowered on ECS tuning coilovers, just as the last car, except I've done almost pretty much every suspension component possible besides control arms and sway bars. So this car, front and rear, has ECS sway bar end links. Front has the adjustable ones. The rear's got the ECS tuning adjustable toe arms. It's got bigger rotors, just slightly on the front and the rear. It's sitting on stocks right now because winter is just getting over, and I've got my other wheels, my ESR SR1s, sitting in my filthy garage with something else that has happened in the past year. Couple things, but anyways, they need tires because the trip I took to Gatlinburg for Slammed Enough, I ate through them. So they're all exposed wires, but who cares, you know? Front, you know, we got the ECS tuning banner, just like the old car. Got the Ghost Gang alt front banner, and the roof is also wrapped black, but you know, it's not the prettiest. I did it myself, and it looks horrible. In the rear, we got the same Ghost Gang banner. Actually, I don't know if I've showed these banners on the other car. It didn't matter. We got these clear taillights with a carbon fiber spoiler and blacked out emblems with, once again, instead of the red, some white. We got quad tips in the rear on the stock diffuser. I do have a carbon diffuser to put on. I'm just waiting for the weather to get a little bit more stable. Today is the only nice day this week, and it is currently 55 out instead of the normal 30. Carbon fiber spoiler, definitely real carbon, it's not fake. But other than that, that is really all of the exterior of my car. I feel like I haven't done much to this car, but really I have. So for interior, I've got tint on the front, rear, everywhere besides the windshield. I have 15% on the front, 5% in the rear. It's pretty dark, but not dark enough, so I might go darker. The car is very filthy on the inside, but you know, same radar detector as the old one. We got my nice ECS tuning shift knob, and you know, little turbo air freshener. Nothing too crazy on the interior. Let's actually head onto the trunk. So in here, I've got a whole new sub setup, pretty much all Scar besides the amp. The box is from Scar Audio. The sub itself is from Scar Audio, same as the scale lock, or the SK E2 lock, whatever the fuck it is. It is a 10-inch, 2000 watt sub. This is my Terra Amps RGB 3000 watt amp, and I love it. Under the hood is my 4.2 liter V8. Really nothing too crazy. It's mostly stock, really. I am missing this slam panel because I do have a carbon one to put on as well. So I just haven't gotten around to it. I'm not trying to ruin some nice carbon parts during the winter. I do have a APR carbon fiber intake, 034 Motorsports silicone intake tubing, and I've got upgraded injectors. I've got the ECS tuning stainless steel clutch line and the JXB Performance extended slave cylinder, because I have had many issues with the clutch. Now this car is tuned. It is tuned by Jackal Motorsports. Well, now that you've pretty much seen all of the car, really not much, but God, it's been fucking forever since I've made a video. I don't know how to talk on these no more. I'll just shut the fuck up and we'll just go on a little drive, shall we? Oh, I didn't like that. Why did it flash my fucking oil at me? My exhaust setup, I will put that on screen. It's pretty much straight piped, just besides one muffler. But you know, she's loud and I love it. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's video. I hope to be back more often doing this. This year I got some big stuff planned for the channel. 2025 is going to be my year. This car is going to be something else. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around for a little bit, you know. But anyways, that's all I have for today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.